Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you photography and videography enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the Sony digital camera, and I can confidently say that this is the best backup camera available in the market. Stick around, and I'll tell you why. Let's dive right into it. The Sony digital camera is a powerhouse when it comes to photography and video recording. It boasts a 4K video resolution and a stunning 64-megapixel sensor, ensuring that you capture every detail in your shots. One standout feature is the 4.0-inch touchscreen, making it super convenient to change settings and browse through your videos. And yes, it's a touchscreen. That's a game-changer for a camera in this class. But what truly sets this camera apart is its versatility. You can shoot in various video and photo sizes, from 4K to 720p, and from 56 megapixels to 24 megapixels. Whether you're shooting professional videos or taking high-quality photos, the Sony camera has got you covered. It doesn't stop there. This camera can also double as a webcam, making it perfect for video calling and live streaming. And speaking of convenience, it has a fantastic pause function, allowing you to continue recording in the same file without starting a new one. And here's the kicker. It's equipped with Wi-Fi and HDMI output. You can instantly share your photos and videos with friends and family and even connect them to your TV for a bigger viewing experience. It's all about making life easier, right? Now, let's talk about its dual lens system. You can easily switch to the front camera, which is great for vlogging. This feature lets you see exactly what you're recording, making video recording a breeze. Now, let's see what you get in the package. You'll receive the camera, a powerful 3000 mAh lithium battery, a 32GB SD card, a charger, a lanyard, a lens hood, a camera bag, and more. You can store more than 8,500 photos with that 32GB SD card. Plus, there's a 12-month warranty and a 30-day no-reason return policy, so you're covered. Before I share my final thoughts, let's take a look at some user reviews. Many customers have praised the Sony digital camera for its picture quality and ease of use. Some have mentioned it's perfect for night photography and that it's lightweight and easy to carry around. So, there you have it, the Sony digital camera, the best backup camera on the market. With its 4K resolution, 64-megapixel sensor, touchscreen, and versatile recording options, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. If you're in the market for a new camera, don't miss out on this Black Friday deal. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on the Sony digital camera at a fantastic discount. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from Product Critique. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.